Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel name. Before diving into today's riveting news update, if you find our content informative and engaging, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up. It helps a lot. Let's dive in. Today's story comes from a credible source, BBC News, and it concerns a figure many of you in the crypto world may recognize, Sam Bankman-Fried, the founder of FTX, a cryptocurrency exchange that was once valued at a staggering $32 billion. Bankman-Fried, once heralded as the king of crypto, now finds himself in a precarious situation. He's currently incarcerated, and according to his lawyer, he's allegedly subsisting on bread and water. To make matters even more challenging, the prison has reportedly failed to provide him with the vegan diet he requested. As if that's not enough, there are growing concerns over his health. His lawyer has raised alarms over the institution's failure to provide Bankman-Fried with essential medications. Specifically, he hasn't been given his ADHD medication, Adderall, and his supply of the depression medication Emsam is dwindling. Recently, Bankman-Fried made an appearance in a New York court, pleading not guilty to 7 new criminal charges linked to the collapse of FTX. The visual of him in court, donned in leg restraints and a beige prison uniform, is a stark contrast to his earlier days as a crypto mogul. It's hard to believe that FTX, which once stood tall as the world's second-largest cryptocurrency exchange, filed for bankruptcy in November 2022, causing significant upheaval in the crypto market. Magistrate Judge Sarah Netburn, addressing the concerns, stated she would liaise with the U.S. Justice Department's Bureau of Prisons, which oversees the jail. Interestingly, while she's reasonably confident about the availability of vegetarian food, she's unsure about vegan options. The Bureau of Prisons, in their defense, has mentioned that inmates are ensured access to appropriate healthcare, medication, and hot meals. This case continues to unfold, with many awaiting the trial scheduled for October. It serves as a stark reminder of the unpredictable and ever-evolving landscape of the cryptocurrency world. That's the update for today, everyone. A massive shout-out to BBC News for their in-depth coverage. If you found this video informative and want to stay updated with more news like this, remember to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. Your support keeps us going. Until next time, take care.